Hi everyone. Today we are taking the class Intermediate Maths 2B. In the Maths 2B, 8th unit differential equation. Today we are discussing. So first differential equation introduction. Today we are taking that differential equation intermediate Maths 2B topic introduction class. Today we are taking here definition of the differential equation. An equation involving one dependent variable and its derivative with respect to one or more independent variables is called a differential equation. I give the example here. First example, dy by dx plus x cube is equals to 5. dy by dx plus x cube equals to 5. Here, with respect to function, we are taking the independent variable, and the with respect function we are taking that. Which function we are derivating? That function we are taking a dependent variable. So here, dependent variable nothing but y. Independent variable nothing but in the first question x. Here, dependent variable in the first question y. Independent variable in the first question x. Let second question d square z by dx square plus dz by dy plus 3y is equals to 0. Here z and z is this independent. Here dependent variable here z. In the second question, dependent variable here z. X and y nothing but here independent variable. With respect to functions, we are taking that independent variable. And we know that already we learned in the first year differential equation product rule, differential equation quotient rule. Let I explain one more again. d by dx of ub of x is equals to, first we keep the one function is the constant u of x into d by dx of v of x plus second, now first in the first term we have to keep the constant u of x. Now the second step, v of x is the constant, d by dx of u of x. v of x is the constant, d by dx of u of x. We take the example, y equals to e power of 2x sin x. Y equals to e power of 2x into sin x. U is the u nothing but e power of 2x, v nothing but sin x. Y equals to e power of 2x into sin x. Here u nothing but e power of 2x, v nothing but sin x. dy by dx is equals to e power of 2x is a constant, d by dx of sin x plus next term sin x is the constant, d by dx of e power of 2x. e power of 2x into d by dx of sin x plus sin x is a constant, d by dx of e power of 2x. Next step, e power of 2x has to side we are d by dx of sin x. d by dx of sin x nothing but cos x. d by dx of sin x nothing but cos x. We are writing here plus as this, and e power of x, e power of 2x nothing but e power of x, e power of x nothing but d by dx nothing but e power of x. e power of x derivative nothing but e power of x. So e power of 2x as is common and sin x is the as this. But here not a e power of x, e power of 2x is there. Again we derivative of the 2x, d by dx of 2x, d by dx of 2x nothing but 2. So this step cos x into e power of 2x plus this 2 I have written here e power of 2x sin x. It is the dy by dx. Like this we are solving like this. Coming to the differential equation quotient rule. Differential equation quotient rule. d by dx of u by v of x is equals to v of x into d by dx of u of x minus u of x into d by dx of v of x divided by v square. It is the quotient rule formula, important one. So d by dx of v by u of x is equals to v of x into d by dx of u of x minus u of x into d by dx of v of x divided by v square. I take an example, y equals to log x by sin x. y equals to log x by sin x. Here log x nothing but u, sin x nothing but v. dy by dx First v is the constant, we keep the sin x is the constant. d by dx of log x. Sin x into d by dx of log x minus. Second time u of x constant now. Log x is a constant. d by dx of sin x. v is nothing but sin x whole square. Sin x is a constant. As to we are writing d by dx of log x nothing but 1 by x minus here log x is the constant. We are writing like this d by dx of sin x. d by dx of sin is nothing but cos x. So here we take the LCM with the x. Sin x as is there. X into log x cos x. X into log x cos x divided by x sin x whole square. Sin x, x to LCM, x into log x into cos x divided by x sin x whole square is the dy by dx. Like this we are solving the quotient rule. Next. So in the differential equation we have two types. One is that ordinary differential equation, one is that partial differential equation. Ordinary differential equation, see a definition: an equation involving one dependent variable. An equation involving one dependent variable and its derivative with respect to one independent variable is called a ordinary differential equation. In shortcut form, ordinary differential equation we can call ODE, ordinary differential equation. Let's take the example. First example, dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to Lx plus n. Here L comma n are constant. L comma n are constant terms. Y is nothing but dependent variable. Here y is depending on the x. Y is depending on the x. So here dependent variable here writing down, first solution is the y, and x is nothing but in this independent variable. In the independent variable first question answer is x. Next in the second question, d square t by dx square, d square t by dx square plus 8x square is equals to 10x. In this t is the dependent variable. Dependent variable nothing but here t. Independent variable in the second question x. I am writing here. Third question, see here, dz by dy, dz by dy, dz by dy plus 3y is equals to sin y, dz by dy plus 3y is equals to sin y. Here z is the dependent variable. Z is the dependent variable. Independent variable nothing but y. So you can observe here we are taking only one dependent variable and one independent variable. Here the independent variable x, here the dependent variable y, here the t, here the x, z, y. This is about the ordinary differential equation. Ordinary nothing but with respect to and which function we are derivating, that function involving only one variables. Only one variables. Here y is the involving one variable, x is the involving with respect to variable x. This is also one variable. Partial differential equation. Second one is that partial differential equation. Important, listen. An equation involving one dependent variable. An equation involving one dependent variable and its derivative with respect to w or t or nothing but with respect to more than one independent variable. See here, more than one independent variable. More than one independent variable is called a partial differential equation. Is called a partial differential equation. In shortcut form we are calling PDE, partial differential equations. Let's take the examples. First one, x dz by dx plus y into dz by dy is equals to z. Is equals to z. So what I am writing here, one dependent variable. Here the dependent variable here what is there? Z and z. With respect to functions are x one time, y one time. So x and y are the independent variable. So here I am writing here dependent variables. In the first question z. In the first question is the dependent function z. Independent x and y. Independent variables are x and y. Second question, d square w by dx square plus d square w by dy square plus d square w by dz square. Here w in the with respect to the functions x one time, y one time, z one time. So w is the dependent variable. W here dependent variable with respect to functions x, y, z are the independent variables x, y, z. Coming to the third question, d square x by dt square, d square x by dt square whole square minus 5 into dx by dr whole cube minus a power of x is equals to 3. Here x is the dependent on the t. X is the depending on the t. Here x is the depending on the r. So I am writing in the third question dependent variable x. Independent variable in the third question t comma r. In our syllabus we have only the ordinary differential equation. Partial differential equation you are studying in the further classes. If you have any doubts, please comment on this section. Thank you.